Good morning, good morning. How are you guys doing today? All right, let me just get this set up. Let's put it on some royalty-free upbeat background music. Boom. I want a playlist. Hold on. All right. Playlist. Boom. Here we go. All right. Good morning, everyone. Let me get the live stream up over here as well so I can see the questions, everything. I got crazy hair today. Everybody woke up and said, I love your hair today. So crazy hair sticking. All right, let's just grab something here. So we will go over the watch list, and then if there's anything else that you guys would like to go over. What did I just do? Then we will go over it. All right. All right. Good morning, good morning. Good morning, Terry. Good morning, Brenda. I was planting some seeds, so I got a little distracted sowing seeds this morning. All right, let's get started. Just make sure everything's set up over here. All right, and there we go. So first off, let's build the limits. Right here. All right, so we'll take this down here, build the limits in case we were to go limit down. Oh, la la. You got it, Brenda. I'm turning it down. It is Free Friday, Roger. No snow last night. It's due to come, though, I think. No to what, Roger? Turning down the music? Ay. What is going on? Oh, my number lock is off. There we go. All right, so there is the limits list. Take a screenshot there. Set that up for you guys to take a screenshot. Today is the 10th of March. This is not Friday the 13th, right? All right. And let's save that as limits. How about California with their crazy weather? I heard yesterday that they were advising people to make sure that they have food and water for 2 weeks. It's pretty crazy, right? Oh, you know what I realized? I'm going to retake that screenshot because wrong date here. I'm so yesterday. You know it. There we go. How about those singing birds, huh, Brenda? Using the tablets and everything? Crazy. Why is it doing that? Okay, so let's get our fear and greed. I know, it's awful. You know what? That's why I really stopped posting a lot of photos on. This is great. Here, I'll save this photo and then I will show you what just came up. Fear is at 33 today. Check this out. This is no bueno. 600 issues are slowing down your computer. Gonna have to fix those. Not right now though. But thank you. I'll come back to you later. Don't save. All right. Let's go to Forex Factories. I was hanging out because I knew that 8:30 we were gonna have our numbers, right? Whoops. Right, 8:30, big numbers coming. So didn't really want to do anything before we had our numbers. And in fact, let me see where my little clock is. Where's my little clock? I see it here, but where is it? I need it to sort of reboot while I'm waiting for it to be 8:30. All right, it's 8:30. Boom, let's see. Let's go to TweetDeck as well. TweetDeck might have it before Forex Factory. Unemployment change. Nothing yet. Okay, let's refresh it. Actual 311. Roger, it's higher. Can you believe that? People are working less with 34.5. Oh, that's employment change. Yeah, unemployment rate. Non-farm employment change was 311. No, sorry, that's worse. Worse than what they were expecting. Better or worse? Hold on, I'm confusing myself now. All right, no, this is better. It's not unemployment. I was reading this one, unemployment rate for Canada. Yeah. All right, so those are our numbers. Come on. The news is out. Why don't you put it on your... Okay, unemployment rate 3.6. There's more jobs, but the unemployment rate is higher. They're more concerned, I believe, with unemployment than increasing jobs availability. I think. But I'm not the Fed members. And honestly, they're going to do what they're going to do. Whoa. That was not me. All right, back over here to the SPY. Let's get this going. All right, SPY pop on the numbers. So now we have Microsoft up, Nvidia, Meta, Tesla, Apple. Majors are up. Down, CrowdStrike, Google, Oracle, Schwab. I heard that Schwab is insolvent. DocuSign. Ooh, Wells Fargo's down. Silvergate, SIVB. Is that Silvergate? Yeah, that's Silvergate Bonds, I believe. All right, so it looks like everything is popping around. So let's map out DocuSign. Let's go back. If you guys are new and joining us, put in the chat where you're from. Don't be shy. All right, so we have the 24-hour over here. We've got our intraday in the middle, and we have the visible volume profile right here. I like to see what's going on for pre-market. What is the pre-market volume doing? Well, if we go above 60.20, likely a move to the upside there. Or if we go back below 54.50 here. There is this big gap fill in the middle, but it's not dominant volume. Right now we do have dominant volume down here at 55.24. Could push up here for that gap up to 59.69. We shall see. But the higher probability trade is going to be above 60.20 or below 54.50. I don't know why I haven't done this before. Just thought of something. Schwab's insolvent. Yeah. Yeah, you know, like when banks go bankrupt, I know. Could have been part of this price action yesterday. No lines on there, huh? Interesting. Okay. So what do we have going on? Above 67.50 or below 65. We'll do 64.92. How much faster that is. Why didn't I think of that before? I was doing so many other steps. Might have been stuck in yesterday, but today I'm on the ball. So there was bigger selling on these pre-market and then it's flipped. So let's see what's going on with Oracle too. Earnings last night for Oracle. So from earnings, what is the point of control? All right, so we need to have it go above 83.60 here or below, we'll say 82.50. Could be, let's see what's the path this morning. Yeah, 82.50. It is in bold. Now, I do create this watch list and post on my website, cjanetrade.com. And every Monday, I am teaching at the darkpools.com in the training pit. So if you guys want to learn more about trading around the dark pool, understanding trading around the big volume, come and check us out over there. If you'd like to subscribe to my morning watch list at 8:15 every morning, I did delay it today with the announcements coming out at 8:30. Many times the market will move and then I don't want to just be on screen for 10 minutes, you know. So I will sometimes delay it a little bit so that we can go right into it with the fresh numbers, because it doesn't make sense to create the trades and then have to recreate them all over again. So that's why I waited. All right. So we'd love to see you, right, Brenda? Right, Roger? Where's Larry? Where's Rufero this morning? All right, 92 and 93.20 here. Actually, I'll put in 93.20. We had two tests up here. There were selling wicks there. And really, I'd expect 93 to be that resistance area. But we are above, so put up there. Give it a little bit of wiggle room for Google. 92 and 93.20. If you have any questions, put in the chat. Don't be shy. I won't bite you. Alrighty, alrighty. Let's do CrowdStrike. JP Morgan is down too. When we're starting to see, let's see, how does this look? Let's look at it on the 5-minute. Let's look at JP Morgan. I might switch this up. JP Morgan is moving down over there. Yeah, I like JP Morgan's better. So let's put JP Morgan over here. Also heard Jamie Dimon, what's his name? Gasly. There's an article about Gasly being involved with Epstein and knowing about the underage events that were happening at his island. And I think that could be part of all of this drop. Now, if we were to have a tier 1 bank fail, right? If one fails, then they will all start to crumble because they're all leveraged with each other. They all have swaps, and it could become an ugly thing for the banks, right? I did show you all before on my YouTube channel how there was the Fed meeting from in December. I wonder if I can find that really quickly. Not the Fed, bank meetings talking about, let me go quickly and see if I can find it for you. See if I can grab the clip, because it talks about running on the banks going insolvent, like Schwab, as I just mentioned. And so, hold on, let's see, where am I? I'm in January. So I posted it in January somewhere, the video. Let's see if it's still up. About the FDIC, here we go. 140 in this video. Let's pull it up. We'll play it quick. Oh, video's unavailable now. Look at that. Talking about the banks, saying that there was going to be a bank run. Oh yeah, we know that it's going to happen, but we don't want to tell the public. Wow, they took it down. I wonder if I have it in a video. What was the day that I posted that? January 11th. Let's go to my videos and see if I did one recently after that, because I think I put it, well, in any event, yeah, get ready. Okay, so 128, it was the FDIC insurance meeting. Super big volume. Let's look at it on a daily like that. All right, so looks like they sold, right? That big volume is above us. Yeah, looks like they sold. 139.62. We're now 11 points below that. Can you see how the power of the volume makes a huge difference? So we shall see. Looks like bigger volume above us. Let's go to Apple. I'm still in my Apple position for now. Although it's not looking so bueno now. It was down here and now it's flipped. I don't like that. We shall see if it breaks out of this downward trend. It's just the market's so indecisive. It wants to move up, it wants to move down, it wants to move up, it wants to move down. But the fact the banks are moving down, that's not really pretty. Okay, so let's put it 152, the high of the day. 149.60 and 152. Point of control right now is at 150.50 for pre-market activity. These are all bigger price levels with big volume. So on our 5 minute over here, since 4 o'clock, oh, we had bigger volume down here. So below, let's just move it one candle. All right, below 170.50, and we are moving higher. So we are above that point of control. I put it 177. 177.50 would likely be stronger, but I'll put it 177. This one likes to move on at least 50 cents, if not the dollars. 40. Oh. wrong expand. We did come up, hit the moving averages. Looks like it's rolling over. We found support from over here. So is it going to be a support that we bounce off of? Could be in relation to the news today. Yeah. And what happens, Roger, if those banks lost their leverage? If they lost their ability to leverage money? That means they're dealing with cash. If they're dealing with cash, then look, we still have to come up and test that. If they are only like cash trading, right? They're going to really manipulate the market. Take it down one day, pop it up, take it down, pop it up, take it down, move it sideways so that they can churn the market and generate profits with their big money, and not, it's going to be a choppier market as opposed to a trending market because they're trying to work their money. Which is kind of like what we're seeing, right? We're seeing a choppy market. You have 155 calls a month out on the SPY. Oh, Apple calls, got it. I was like, you have 155 of them on which one? It needs to really break 156. This is looking like strong support here, right? Came down, broke, resistance, support, resistance again. So we're just trading sideways here with NVIDIA. Are they selling it? We did have a dividend here. So we're going sideways at the moment. Oops, that's not what I wanted. I want to flip over to this chart. Already on the 5-minute. It's moving up. 237. Let's put up at 237.50. Right there. 232.50. Had a nice run up, and now, since dividends, slowly going sideways. Santoli just said that during the pandemic, banks bought a ton of stocks. They have too much, but if they sell them, it will show a loss, so they are not wanting to do that. Well, what if they don't have the ability to trade anymore because they can't buy anything else? What are they going to do? Right? Turn off the algo, sell, drop the market, and buy it back. Maybe. Maybe. There's 2 green lines there. What's going on with this one? All right, 252. We popped above that. 254. 255 is going to be stronger level, but I'll put it 254.50. And then it might just go 50 cents there. But if it goes above, boom, bigger move. We also have the 200 exponential moving average hanging out at 255.16, which only one day that it was above it recently. So that could act as strong resistance as well. So I'd watch 255, 255.15. Apple, yeah, I figured. And 250.50. Where's Troy? Troy's usually here in the mornings too. You know what I did not do? I didn't share it. Maybe I could do that. There we go. I save the Microsoft picture yet? No, didn't take it yet. Alrighty. We have someone that's silent, not saying hello. Alright, let's check out the Dow. Put it side by side over here, move this down. Big volume right here. Let's go down to 1 minute, see if we can capture the price. So it looks like, I wouldn't usually trade off of 1 minute, but here it looks like the price, big, super big volume. It looks like right here, roughly 32.66, but the point of control right now is at 323.48. So down below 321.50 or above 324. We can bring it lower here. 323.7. No, 323.80. All right, Russell. All right, 180.40 and 182.20. Qs, we broke down from that trend. As I was saying before, is this a bear flag, which now it's looking like it is after yesterday. So we might want to flip this. Let's go here. Let's look at it like this. Let's take this. Let's just get rid of this altogether. Start a new one. Oh, look at how it's hitting the midline and bouncing as well. Kind of cool, right? So upward bound, we might be heading up to 297.70, downward target, maybe down to 284, 285 area, 284.40. Little mental thing there. All right, so above 295 or below 292 today. You can see that if I did it earlier, it would have been here, and then you get caught because then the trade happens and it moves up here. So that's why I'd like to wait for those big announcements. Better to wait than get caught. No, it didn't move up. All right, 393.50 or 389.50. Oh, no worries. It's not your fault, Roger. The market's gonna do what the market's gonna do, right? Okay, so you guys can take a screenshot. I'm gonna upload it on over to my website, cjanetrade.com. Come and check that out. All right. Is there anything else that you want to look at? Put in the chat. We'll check it out. think I'm gonna have to clear out some items. It's saying there's not enough memory. Very weird. I do a lot of videos though. Let's look at the dollar. Let's put it over here. 24 hours. Okay, now we're really going up above that. Oh, shoot. I did it again. Put it back to the way that it was. Oh, phew. There we go. All right, so we hit this trend line and we reverse. So what's it doing? Silver is moving up. Gold is moving up. Oil is moving up. A little bit from yesterday. Oil's still bigger selling. Natural gas is actually moving down. Right? Interesting. Point of control is 248.88. So we shall see if that's going to hold. So maybe this is a test and then a bigger move up. So it came down, hit the moving average, down, boom. That could be the move that we are going to see on natural gas. Anything else you want to check? XLE, Brenda? Below the point of control right now. Let's look at Tesla big picture. Below the point of control. Oh, yeah, Silvergate is, they're the ones that were caught up in FTX, right? So they had bigger selling. Look, they just reported bigger selling later. How can they do that? Massive sell yesterday. I was considering getting in, and then I went, wait a second, this is Silvergate. They were tied up with FTX. They were tied up with all of that. So look at this volume. It has 27 million in the float. 71 million was traded. 3 times the float was traded. Let's go over here. Let's go here really quickly. There, the short sale volume, probably through the roof. Yeah, it's heading back up. Short sale volume. That's the volume that happened yesterday. Let's go to right here, short daily volumes. Oh, good, all is good. All right, SI. Let's see, 36% held overnight, whereas the day before, 59%. Yeah. A potential short squeeze, but it crashed instead. Big guys knew it, probably. They're like, we're gonna make some money on the downside. We got this. Yeah. All right. So unless there's anything else that you guys would like to see, then I will call it a day. I will see you all at noon for midday recap. Yesterday I was busy, but have an amazing trading day. Carpe profits, use those profits one trade at a time. I'd love to see you every morning, 8:15 a.m. Join our AM crew as we build the watch list live, answer your questions live as well. Have an amazing